Hi, I'm Joe Rotella, and I've got exciting classes planned for you for Stampaway 2018. 4 different ones, in fact. But the one I want to talk to you about today is the wood-burned plaque. Wood burning is also known as pyrography, and this is such a fun class. I'm going to show you how you can take an image and transfer it to the piece of wood, either using graphite paper or the wood burning tool itself. Once you get the image on that piece of wood, I'll show you some different techniques for burning the design in the wood. When we're all done, I'll show you how you can color that image with colored pencils or even a brand new acrylic watercolor from Plaid paints. Now I'm going to do the wildflower design that you see in the sample, but I'll have other designs with me, and you're welcome to bring your own. So if you have a design you really like, think a coloring book page is perfect for this. Bring it and let's transfer it to that wood plaque and burn it and paint it. Now the plaque measures about 5 by 7 1/4. So as long as you bring a design that fits that, you'll be fine. I'll have one for you, again, the wildflowers, but I've been working on one that I'll try to post later on. That's an ocean, a coral reef scene, and I picture that coral in all different colors and maybe a seahorse or a couple fish and some kelp, and I think it's going to be beautiful. I love how wood burning or pyrography, it's hard to say, looks. So I hope you'll join me at Stampaway 2018 for a wood-burned plaque class. I'm going to supply everything you need, including that wildflower design. But if you want to bring your own, you're welcome to do that. I hope to see you there.